are preparing for AMC exam, means American Mathematics competition, 8, this problem is for them, but it says, and for other Olympiad also, a number is called flippy. They are just saying the flippy if the digits alternate between two distinct digits, means like 2020. So for a 4-digit number, but for a 5-digit number it will be like 3737. So digits are repeating them like they are flippy, but you can not say 3883. That is not flippy. Or 123 123 is not flippy. Two things are flippy. Okay? Alternately means one after the another. So they are asking how many 5-digit flippy numbers are divisible by 15. So first we need to find out a 5-digit number. Like these are the 5 digits we need to fill, and it should be divisible by 15. If something is divisible by 15, it means it should be divisible by 5 and it should be divisible by 3 as well. So if something is divisible by 5, its last digit should be 0 or 5. And 3, if something is divisible by 3, its sum of all digits must be divisible by 3. Okay. So suppose if I put 0 over here, the last digit is 0. So the first digit should also be 0, right? Because it's flipping, and this one will also be 0. So what we get, that if we make an arrangement like 0 and 0 in the last, it will become a 4-digit number, right? We want a 5-digit, so it's not correct. What should we do? We should make 5 at the last. If we are making 5 at the last, the number in the front should be starting from the 5. Now the middle number should also be 5. Now you can see that sum now is 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15, and it is divisible by 3, right? So this arrangement is correct. Now rest two numbers also we need to find. What we can do about it? We know that the sum should be equal to 3. So what we can do? We can put here 3. If you put 3 here, then this should be 3, then also it is divisible, right? What else we can do? We can put 6. Another multiple of 3. We can put 9. And we can put 0 also. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 arrangements where we can do. Because if we put 0 over here, I need to put 0 over here. That's the thing. If I put 3 over here, I need to put 3 after the 5, right? And same goes for 6 and 9. So total 4 arrangements we are getting for it, as the answer is 4.